Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Essential Properties in the Essential Graphics panel. Essential Properties makes it possible for you to change properties of a nested composition or pre-comp without ever having to open up that nested composition. First, double-click on the pre-comp or nested comp to open it up. Next, open up the Essential Graphics panel. Go to the top menu, click on Window, click on Essential Graphics. And now I'm just going to go through each layer and decide what properties I want to add to the Essential Graphics panel. I'll start with the title layer. I'm going to twirl it open and select Source Text. This will make it possible for me to change the text whenever I want. So I'm just going to click and drag it into the Essential Graphics panel. I also want to make it easy to change the text color, but there is no default color property on text. No problem. You can fix it by going up to Effects and Presets, do a search for Fill, and drag on the Fill effect, or just add a color overlay layer style. I'm going to add the layer style by selecting the text layer, right-clicking or control-clicking, go to Layer Styles, then select Color Overlay. I'll change it from the default red, and then I'm just going to select that color property and drag it right into the Essential Graphics panel. To speed up the process, if you know you want to add the color fill property for this layer, you can just do a search by clicking in here or using Command F and just type color, and After Effects will bring up all the color options. So I can just click, drag it up here, and to change the label for a property, all you have to do is just click in it, and I'll call this one Top Bar Color. And if you want to search for all the color properties, make sure you have no layers selected, then do a search for color, and that'll pull up all the color properties. Just locate the one you want. I'm going to click, drag it, I'll click, rename it Bottom Bar. Then I'm going to go down to the yellow background color, click inside to rename it. I'll call it BG Color. To rearrange any of the properties, just select one and drag it to a new location. If you want to delete a property, select it, tap on the delete key. You can create as many of these Essential Graphics panels as you want, so if you have a bunch of pre-comps or nested comps, so it's a good idea to come up to the top and name them so you know which one you're working with. And as you create more, you'll have this little drop-down menu where you can select them. You can also close any of these by just clicking on Close All or Close the individual one. If you click on Solo Supported Properties, that is going to expand all of the layers, making it easy for you to select a property and drag it onto the Essential Graphics panel. And if you click it again, that will collapse all the layers. I'm going to close down the pre-comp so we're back in the main composition, and look what happens when I twirl open this pre-comp. After Effects has created this brand new Essential Properties, and if I twirl it open, every property that we added to the Essential Graphics panel is now available in the Layers panel. I want to change the background, I just click, background's changed. Let's say I want to change the text. I'll just click on the title, I'll add my name, and just like that, that text layer updated. If you ever want to add more properties, just double click on the pre-comp, just select the properties that you want, drag it in the Essential panels, rename it, and now when you go back in the main comp, if you want to make those changes, easy as that. And that is how to use Essential Properties in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.